Charlene, if you're listening, just come on.
All right, y'all, so let's jump right into it. So I decided I want to clean up the little back of the bedroom area, and then I was going to frame out the bed frame. Now, I won't finish the bed frame because I take the bus to Home Depot to get wood, and I still need to have a good amount of space or whatever to be able to pull those 8-foot boards in. And I had to learn the hard way yesterday or this weekend, actually. I had to remove the further vertical board that sits on the top so that I could get the wood in. So that was crazy. Please ignore me here if you see me with my iPad. I was writing my notes on how the dimensions and stuff was supposed to be, and on FaceTime, just running my mouth. You know, the usual girl stuff. I do know that was easier if I would have did the 2x4 straight across the floor, then put the ones in the middle. I was just talking, and when I be talking and the conversation might be good, I just get really distracted and start making extra work for myself. So yes, I do know that I should have just did the top, the bottom fern strip, and then the top, and then the middle, but I didn't.
All right, so I finished the framing for the most part. Look at that crooked. It's hard to get to get it straight when the bus is not leveled. But anyway, so tomorrow we may put a strip that goes all the way across there. I do want the bed to be able to fold up, so yeah. What I was doing today was basically I just had the 2x4s that I ordered before I got the 2x3s to frame the bathroom. So I didn't want to have extra wood laying around when I could do something before I went back to Lowe's for more wood for other stuff. So yeah, I just went ahead and framed that out for the most part. So this would be the bed. I'm gonna get a queen bed, and then that'll be, or I could just get a king, but that'll be able to be opened. Maybe like a dirty clothes hamper or something. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. And it's very durable. I did that. And then I finished this little wall right here. With the bathroom. Of course you won't see it once I frame the closet. But yeah, for the most part I finished that. I still have to, fix that screw. I was like, how am I gonna get this screw? And then I realized I should just put pocket holes in this wood and then secure that. But it's really already, super secure without it. So yeah, and then we're gonna get to clean up this mess, which is the main reason why I framed the bed out. It got a little junky in here and I'm ready to clean it out. Then I'm going to start from the back. Run the electrical. I really want my electrical back there, so I'm gonna do some homework tonight, but then I'm gonna put the outlets where I want them for this part. And yeah, get her done. You feel me? But yeah, so I'm gonna have 2 outlets in here. Probably one right there and one over here. But yeah, for the most part, we can go ahead and begin to close that up now. All right, y'all. It's a really nice day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run our 120 volt wires and stuff mainly to the back of the bus. Well, not the back, the bed side of the bus, so that I can begin to kind of close those walls. I won't be able to close all of them because I don't have enough plywood yet. But I seen a post about it's like an hour away. But I shall drive the bus to go get it if she messages me back. So she has like about 60. She's getting away for free. I just have to pick them up. And I'm like, oh, say less. So, yes, let's hope that she has, well, that there is enough good wood to go on these walls. Not all of the walls will be pallet walls, like inside the bathroom won't be a pallet wall. In the closets won't be a pallet wall behind those. Yeah, just like the walls you can see, like, will be pallet. That's the goal. And maybe even the ceiling or the floor. One of those are still going to be pallet wood. Maybe it might become too rigorous. Well, not rigorous, too time consuming since I'm by myself. I don't know, but yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, and we're also going to mark out the skylights that I want to have in the living room. See if that's like a doable little thing. And I'm still debating if I want to turn the skylight, the second emergency hatch, into a skylight. I'm not sure. But I know the first one is probably going to be a max air fan just because it's by the kitchen. Decisions. But yeah, so let's do that. And once we do the wire and stuff, I'll go pick up the rest of the wood. The bed frame is 80% complete. I haven't put the planks going across, only because I want to have access to the walls still so that I can go ahead and do those and we be all good. So yeah, let's get into it. I will try to like slow my video down and talk more, but it's just me and it takes a lot to film and edit and talk and be engaged. That is for people who have more experience with this or have more than one set of hands. I don't, so every minute kind of counts when you're on the time frame. And so yeah, let's get it.
I'm thinking about actually in this week's video, well, the video episode 5, taking this board down and using it for the framing of the closet, because these boards are actually very thick and they're actually expensive. They're like $29 per that board. And then I got a thinner one that works well, being nailed to the wall or whatever. And I want to put pallet boards over anyway, so I shouldn't have used these expensive boards for that, because they're 3x4 quarter inches or whatever. And like, yeah, I just shouldn't have did that. So here, redoing the wheel well, I had already started framing out most of it, and I just had to basically put the face on and then connect it. But I ended up taking it apart mainly because I had put the wall in, so the space had changed on the legs and how far they would go back, and it was a little wobbly anyway. I also forgot on the other wheel well to put support boards in the middle so that it would be even. So yeah, that's a regret. Can't fix it now because I've already built the wall. So yeah, but this is getting done, period. Let's get this wheel well. Yes, please don't go based off of how I be cutting this wood, because I just be doing stuff and not fearing the consequences. Please wear your eye guards and your gloves and all that good stuff. Don't be wearing flip-flops like I do. I just can't break the habit. Sometimes I don't even wear shoes, but it is what it is. so next I was like, yeah, let me get these wires right in the back, make sure that like nothing just connected that doesn't need to be, because I do have the zip ties in my car to go ahead and pin these up if that's all I need. But I was having the hardest time. Then I was like, let me look at the owner's manual, because I mean clearly that's what it's for, right? And then I like got to the page where it showed me the whole back diagram, the colors and everything, and I was like, yes, yes. But anyway, yeah, so I'm pulling the rest of the wires that go to the back, well, that run from the back to the front that aren't needed. So that's like basically officially done, period. And also I decided like it was getting real dirty in there. If you do this, you know that it gets really dirty really quick, really cluttered a little bit. So I decided to clean up, make it real nice and cute. I hadn't did that in a while. Like, it look needs to be cleaning here, honey. Clean your house up. So yes, I cleaned and it was lovely for a whole day.
About how my sister and I were having difficulty pulling the windows out. Ain't that some shit? But actually, I really wanted to move my emergency windows to a different location. But still, like, come on, Neil. Why y'all wait till now and do that shit?
At this point, I was running my 120 volt wires, 110 volt wires, or whatever. And one of them, the refrigerator is going to be on this side, and it kind of sits alone. So I was trying to figure out a way to, if I was to bring the wires up for them to go up over, like to the other side without any issues or anything like that. But yeah, shit was happening. But I got it, so yeah.
Sometimes wanna be your lover, sometimes wanna be your friend, sometimes wanna hug you, hold hands, slow dance while the record spins. Opened up your heart cause you said I made you feel so comfortable. Used to play back then, now you all grown up like Rudy Huxtable. I could be your bug, you could beat me up. Play fight in the dark and we both make up. I do anything just to feel your bug. Why you got me so messed up? I don't know, but you gotta stop tripping. Be a good girl now, turn around and get these whips. You know you like it like that. You don't have to fight back. Here's a pillow fight that. And I'll be setting separate plays. So on all these separate days, your legs can go their separate ways. Tell me again, my oh, it's a good look, baby. Tell me again. But tonight I seen something in you, that made me want to get with you. You ain't been nothing but a friend to me, and a nigga never ever dreamed of me. Up in here kissing, hugging, sweet and touching. Up in the bathtub, rubber-dubbing. Are you sure you wanna go this route? Let a nigga know before I pull it out. I would never ever cross the line. Shawty, let me hear you tell me one more time. One more time. Tell me again. Tell me again, my oh, it's a good look, baby. Tell me again. Make sure you're right. Oh, before you be lovers and friends. Tell me over and over and over again. Please tell your lovers and friends that Ursula, John, and Lou that had to do it again. Hey, please tell your lovers and friends That Usher Johnny knew they had to do it again. Yeah. Please tell your lovers and friends that Usher Johnny knew they had to do it again. Hey!
She just moved right up the block for me. And she got the hots for me, the finest thing I need to see. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, when that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy, hitting and in no time. I better make this with her mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to me. What I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting tripping. I heard about the girls. Hey, you know they gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your holding me to the way you come through and holler and swoop me in his two-seater. That's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him. But you and me, they got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,
You don't know what you mean to me. What I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. And I love you, and I need you. Nelly, I love you, I do.
come on, girl.
And it's more than you ever know. Boy, it's for sure. You can always count on my love forevermore. Yeah.
East Coast, I know you should be right. Down south, I know you're bouncing right. West Coast, I know you're walking right.
You
Okay, so I'm using the Craig Rip Cut thing, and yeah, it sucks. So I won't even bother you with the details. My line was very crooked, and I won't be using this Tinks.
She knows I really love this old music thing. Since I was a child, it's been my dream.
I can't support her, treat her and spoil her.
You know,
Her to find her thing.
but I forgot about
Love her. Damn the money, diamonds and pearls.
what about the hard days she had with the baby? All she needs for me to be.
Sitting here waiting on you.
I'll be waiting.
Sitting here waiting, baby. I won't leave. Promise I'll be here till the very end. I need you for life. I won't go nowhere.
Come on, you need baby. Sometimes I cry, 'cause my heart is aching. Call me, see about me.
Okay, so what he's doing is I decided to change the width of the boards that were going up against the walls. I didn't feel like they needed 3/4. That's a really durable, inexpensive board, so I bought these ones, and he's cutting them to length for me because I can't keep my line straight, and I needed help. Sorry that I'm in the way here. I'm framing the windows.
Again at me, I'm really good at this shit.
No, you're not. It's just that your battery's better than mine.
Bro, it's not the same drill.
It's the same drill, but your power better than mine.
You just don't know the techniques. It's okay.
I do. Are you
You
ready?
don't know the techniques. Hold up.
Look at your drill bit. Look at mine. Look at
You want to switch drill bits? Alright, because I wanted that one. You just got that one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your march. Nigga, go in the hole. Put it in the
Nah.
hole.
Come on.
Alright, on your march. Get set, go.
Got me on this one.
your toe.
I don't play myself. I play with myself.
So we didn't close the wall in because I ran out of wire and I needed to run the refrigerator wire, and I heard that it had to be on its own wire, but I really need to Google that because I got the 15 feet little one and it ended up being 4 inches too short, and I don't know how to fix that, and I don't know what I'm gonna do because like, yeah, it's like going to the electrical room but like barely there. Like I need an extra like 3 inches.